CNC machines have created wonders in the manufacturing industry. Manually operated machines were inefficient as it had human errors. These errors would be a burden for the manufacturing companies. Now, after the advent of computers, the process is fully automated with limited human supervision. Whatever a manual labor was doing on the machine is now taken care by the robots run through computer codes. So let us understand the wonderful process of CNC machines. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. The components of CNC machine are Program Input Device, Machine Control Unit or commonly called MCU, and Machine Tool. The part programming is done using the softwares and a set of G codes and M code programs are generated. This program is fed to the computer through an USB or external memory disk. This program is processed by the MCU. It consists of microcontrollers and hardware related to the process. The program will be read by the MCU and stored in its memory. As and when we want, it will execute the program or start the program, which means it will start the machining process. The last component in the line is the actual machine tool. The machine tools like lathe, drilling machine, milling machine will be controlled by the program. The program will move the tool to a specific location and start the rotation of the spindle, allow the flow of coolant, and so on. The tool will do the machining on the workpiece according to the program, be it thread cutting, knurling, drilling, etc. So these are the three major components of a CNC machine. The program used here is nothing but a set of G codes and M codes. G codes will tell the machine tool about the movement. The motion control of drilling head, spindle is done by G codes. The M codes will control the basic electrical operation like releasing the coolant, tool changing, starting or stopping of an operation, and so on. Through these codes, we can automate the entire machining process. What we see here is an open loop computer control system. We can have a feedback element or a sensor which continuously gives the data about the machine tool. For example, through feedback, we will know whether the tool is in the right position or not. If not, program will place the machine tool at the right position. So we can make the machining operation more efficient with the feedback. This is all we have about the CNC machines. To sum up, CNC machining is a highly productive, automated process which increases the efficiency and decreases the production cost. In the next video, we will learn about robot anatomy and configuration.